Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to see the next subtopic from the lesson number 1, that is numbers and numeration. For today we are going to discuss the subtopic forming numbers. In your earlier class, that is in 3rd standard, you have learned how to form the numbers which have 4 digits. In this class we are going to learn forming of smallest number or greatest number which have 5 digits or 6 digits. So there are some rules which we need to follow to form the 5 digit numbers or 6 digit numbers. So the first rule is that when the digits given to you do not have a 0 in them. So when none of the digits that are given has a 0, how to form the number in such a situation? So as per the rule, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. How? In ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the digits from smallest towards the greatest. So when we are forming smallest number with the help of the given digits, we have to arrange the digits in the ascending order. For example, suppose we are given the digits 3, 2, 6, 5 and 4. So we have to arrange these 5 digits in ascending order, that is from the smallest towards the greatest. So can you see these digits? What do you think? Which is the smallest digit among all these? Yes, the digit 2 is the smallest among all these 5 digits. So we will place the digit 2 first. Next, the digit which is greater than 2 but smaller than the other digits is 3. So we will place 3 next to 2. The next digit will be 4. Yes. The next will be 5. And the next will be 6. So you can see here the 5 digit number is formed here, and these digits are arranged in the ascending order, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 3 digits, they come in ones period. So I put a comma here and separate the 2 periods, that is thousands period and ones period. So I can read this number 23,456. So this situation or this number is formed in the situation where 0 is not there in the given digits. But suppose if a 0 is included in the digits which are given, then how are we going to form the smallest number? So the second rule is about it. When one of the digits given to us is 0, then we have to arrange the digits in the ascending order itself, but 0 has to be placed to the second place from the extreme left. So this is the extreme left side, and we have to arrange these digits in ascending order only, but the second place. 0 is given a fixed place, that is the second place from the extreme left should be given to 0, and rest of the numbers, they have to be arranged in the ascending order. So the first digit from the left, we will find out which is the smallest digit. You can see here the digits are 4, 0, 2, 7, 1. So 1 is the smallest digit among all these, and so 1 is placed over here. The second place, it is for the 0. We have been told that 0 has to be placed to the second place from the extreme left, and then we have to again continue with the ascending order. So the next number will be 2. Okay, the next will be 4, and the next to it will be 7. So you can see here the 5 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number has been formed here. So this is the smallest 5 digit number formed with the help of these digits. Similarly, if 6 digits are given to you, you have to just arrange the digits in the ascending order to form the 6 digit number. Okay, so this was about the forming of smallest numbers with the help of the given digits. Now we will see forming greatest number with the help of the given digits. So here, while forming the greatest number also we are going to follow some rules. So what are the rules? The first rule says when none of the digits is to be repeated. Suppose you are given 5 digits or 6 digits and in the question you are not asked to repeat any digit. So all the digits in the question, they have to be used only once. Then we have to arrange these digits in descending order. Descending order means the order in which the digits are placed from greatest towards the smallest. So here you can see an example. 5 digits are given to us. They are 6, 3, 9, 7, 5. So how are we going to arrange them? We are going to arrange them in the descending order, that is from the greatest digits towards the smallest digit. So in these digits we have to find out the greatest digit. So we can see that 9 is the greatest digit in these digits. So I will place 9 over here. The next digit is 7. 9 is the greatest one. Next to 9 we have 7. So we will place 7 over here. The next digit is 6. The next one is 5. And next to 5 we have the last digit, it is 3. So the number which is formed with the help of these digits is 97,653, and this is the greatest number which has been formed with the help of these digits. And in this question I can say that no digit is repeated. Can you see 9, 7, 6, 5, 3, any digit is repeated? No, all the digits have been used only once. So the next rule, when digits are to be repeated. Suppose you are asked to repeat any one of the digits. You can see here the digits given here are 4, 6, 3, 1, 5. Suppose we are asked to repeat the digit 5, means we are asked to write or use the digit 5 two times when you form the number. So the rule is same, that we have to arrange them in the descending order itself, but wherever the place of 5 comes we have to write that digit 5 two times, that is twice. So let us see how to form it. The greatest digit among all this is 6. So I have placed the 6 to the extreme left. The next digit is 5, and we have been asked to write the 5 two times. So I will use the 5 one more time, and next to 5 we have 4. The next is 3 and the next is 1. So we form the number 6,55,431. Okay, suppose we are asked to repeat the digit 3. So how we will form it? We will write it like 6 is the greatest digit. Then comes 5. Then comes 4, and next to 4 comes 3. And 3 has been asked to repeat. So we will repeat the digit 3, and the next one is 1. So number formed is 6,54,331. Similarly, you can be asked to repeat any digit from this. So wherever the place of that digit comes, we have to write that digit two times, and then we should continue with the descending order. In this similar way, we can form the 6-digit numbers as well. Here we have formed these numbers 6 digits. These numbers are having 6 digits in them. Okay. So also they can ask you to form such 5-digit numbers. They may be giving you 4 digits, and they will ask you to repeat some digit and form a 5-digit number. Similarly here, they can give you all the 6 digits, and they can ask you to form the 6-digit number with the help of the 6 digits. Similarly, in the smallest number, they may give you 6 digits, and they ask you to form the 6-digit numbers. So this was about forming the smallest number and forming the greatest number. Just we have to keep the rules in our mind so that we can easily form the 5 digit numbers and 6 digit numbers.